ओम श्री गणेशाय नमः। श्रीमन्नारायणीयम्। ओम श्री कृष्णाय परब्रह्मणे नमः। दशकं 46 श्लोका 4। अयि दुर्विनयात्मक त्वया किमुमृत्सा बत वत्स भक्षिता इति मातृगिरं चिरं विभो वितथां त्वं प्रतिजज्ञिषे हसन्। Word by word meaning. Ayi durvinayatmaka vatsa, O naughty boy. Bata, how bad. Tvaya, by you. Mritsa, mud. Bhakshita, kimu, was eaten. Iti matrugiram, to these words of thy mother. He Vibho, O Lord. Hasan, laughing. Chiram, for a long time. Tvam, thou. Vitatham, as false. Prati jagnishe, didst assert. Full meaning. O Lord, on thy mother asking, O naughty boy, did you eat mud? How bad. Thou didst assert for a long time, laughing that the complaint was false. Note. Another version has tham in the place of tvam. Then it is taken as Hasan Chiram Vitatham Tam Prati Jagnishe, meaning by merely laughing for a long time, thou didst make her Yashoda understand that further questioning would be futile. Vitatha. Om Tat Sat.